Welcome back guys on my YouTube channel. Today I'm here on a beautiful bike on the BMW F900XR, super powerful, and I'm on this bike to test a new product. As I mentioned in one of the previous videos, I'm trying to test different CarPlay systems for your bike to see which is the most plug and play, which has the best screen resolution, and generally which is the best quality price ratio. In this video we have the Carpuride W502. This is a CarPlay system designed for the BMW, so it utilizes the OEM GPS mount that all the BMW bikes have. Also, it uses the power output coming from the pins, so no need to wire anything and go crazy to wire the power to the bike because it's already there. I think the fact it's completely plug and play, so no need to wire anything to the battery, can be the reason of choosing this product. Recently, many manufacturers, like European manufacturers, are starting to make these systems. The main difference is on the software side and the user interface, because the hardware, to me, it seems that, for example, companies like Carpuride produce the same hardware and then give it out as like private label to other manufacturers, like the most known brands making motorbike manufacturers, and then these companies simply change the user interface, the graphics, the fonts, and clearly put it with their brand. I'll let you have a quick look of this wonderful bike on which I'm having the chance to test this GPS, on which I also designed a mount in order to make any mounts more rigid, because I feel they flex a lot on this particular bike. Here I'll show you how the Carpuride looks from the side. I feel this is very compact. They have two versions. This is the 5-inch version, but they have also a 7-inch version. I went for the 5-inch version because I was worried that when the windshield is down, the 7-inch maybe would touch on the windshield. There is a thought I want to share with you, because I feel there is a lot of misconception with China. So on one side, there are many Chinese products I don't like. On the other hand, there are many Chinese products that I believe I have a good or decent quality and that can be an option to mount on our bike. But it's always tricky because it's so easy to fall into AliExpress and just ordering stuff because it's cheap. For this reason, you know, I'm testing a bunch of different type of products like this one from Chinese manufacturers. Some I'm very disappointed, some I'm very happy with. For example, the first CarPlay system I had ordered was a true disaster, as I'll quickly show you some images of the 390 video. Anyway, just my advice, don't rush on like AliExpress sites and just order a bunch of stuff, especially the CNC machine I found to be very bad on many products on there, and also the fitting. In this case, the Carpuride fitted properly. It was plug and play, and really it was a second not only to mount on the bike, but also to connect to my phone. The moment I went in the Bluetooth setting and I told it to pair with it, it immediately asked me if I want to pair it, you know, and showed me the code. It paired and everything just worked smoothly. Also, while riding, I didn't ever lose connection, so that's good. I don't know the reliability on the long run, like I don't know the reliability if we leave it out in the sun for long, especially now that it's summer. But apart from that, I think it's a very nice system, especially if you're looking for a fully plug and play system if you have a BMW, because you just install it. And the good thing, if you have a BMW, you don't need to wire anything, just plug it in and leave and go on your trip. Well guys, before I go into detail on the product and show it to you from close and show you the CarPlay menu and the apps and everything you can access, first let's go with the unboxing. Now I'll quickly show you the unboxing of the Carpuride 502B Pro. This is the CarPlay navigator that fits directly on the BMW mount. Here on the box you can see all the specifics. It goes with CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth. It's IP67 certified. You have here list of the features, an image of it mounted on a BMW GS 1250. We open the box and immediately we have here the unit. Very nice. It already has installed a shade around it. You can see now back here
this is the mount directly for the BMW, but in case you want to mount it on other bikes, you'll simply remove it so that you can also install it on other motorbikes. Going through the box, we have here the power wire. So this will run it through either to directly the battery, or if we have a power outlet like a fuse box, we'll put it there. A tool to tighten it. Inside here we also have a RAM mount ball. Don't know what this is for. It's probably for the screen protector. We have another cable, and this is your USB cable. So in case you don't want to wire it directly to the battery or to the electronics of the bike, if you have a USB outlet, you can just plug it in and make the navigator work in that way. Here we have another RAM mount. Always, this is if we don't want to use the BMW mount and we want to put it on another bike, we have this RAM mount so that we can play around and put it in any position we want. We have a fuse, and then we have here the instruction manual. Now it's time to go place it on the bike and show you how it is on the BMW 900.
Let me show you the features and the user interface. This is a touch screen, so you can clearly move around the menus. You can activate your phone. iPlay is for CarPlay. A Auto is Android Auto. Audio output clearly if you want to send this to your intercom. Then montaggi, I don't know, the translation is not perfect, like carta is for the SD card because you can put an SD card. Music is correct. Impostazione is correct. And then you also have here montaggi, which I don't know from what it was translated, but you can have your compass heading and the altitude at which you're at, so really cool, and also the barometric pressure. It's all very simple to use. Here you have the luminosity. Now we are at the maximum luminosity. Here you can change the background theme. Then here you have a button help where you simply have a message where it gives you the email of the support of Carpuride. Here you have the Bluetooth connection, the sound, and this is your button for the home. And now I'll show it to you connected to my phone, so in the CarPlay mode. We have now entered the CarPlay mode. I have all my map, and really cool thing I can do is I can move around the map. If instead I want to zoom out, so I can't do it with my fingers, I can only move around. But if I press here, I can move around the map with these arrows, or zoom in and zoom out with the dedicated plus and minus. Here then I have my Spotify if I want to listen to Spotify. Go into your phone, favorites, recent, contact, and so on if you want to launch a call. And this is the home screen of the CarPlay. Press here, you go into the various maps. For example, we can put Osman, but I don't have the Pro version, and other apps that let you visualize and follow GPS tracks. I think that the feature of being able to follow GPS tracks, so from your CarPlay load a map, it will suck quite a bit of your battery, but at least, you know, we don't have to invest a lot of money on GPS. For sure, a dedicated off-road GPS is not linked to your phone, so also, you know, you don't need any reception in order for it to work, whereas here you have to download offline maps on your phone and have the CarPlay active, and then okay, yes, you can follow. This is a very nice feature because for the price you're basically getting a screen mirroring of all you have on your phone. Furthermore, you can see how compact it is. It's basically the same dimension of my iPhone screen. It comes with a very useful shade already mounted, but there's something I need to say and show you. You see, I get quite a bit of glare because it's very glossy, the screen. In my opinion, you need to apply a matte finish sticker on it, you know, the transparent screen protectors you have, because even if you can read it well, the luminosity is high. I can see it everywhere, even when we're riding in the sun. But as a comparison, you get the same on your iPhone screen. Look, the glare is more or less the same. Actually, in this view, you see more glare on my phone than on the Carpuride, but keep this in mind. I believe that applying a matte film on it, it will solve any glare you get, giving you the maximum visibility even under the straight sun. In case you get the BMW version and one day you change your bike, you'll just have to unplug these M8 circular connectors on the back. You'll be able to remove this BMW mount, and then you'll be able to fix your GPS anywhere, because you can barely see it behind there, but here the amps mount, and here you can put the RAM ball so that you can adjust it and put it everywhere you want. As you saw in the unboxing, you have the mounts if you wanted to move this and put it here on the handlebar, and so not utilize the pogo pins on the BMW mount, but at that point you would have to wire it to the battery or to a power outlet. Well guys, let me know in the comments what you think about the Carpuride W502. Let me know if you're using already a CarPlay system. And from sunny Italy, it's all for today. Thanks guys for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, but also follow me on Instagram, because you know on Instagram I always share live content of all my tests, from the motorbike tests to the product tests and to product I'm developing. I wish all of you an incredible summer, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao!